Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And boy, do we have a video today. We're going to be talking about a lesson that saved me thousands of dollars that I implement in my swing trading, and pretty much one that you should implement too. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you're like, who is this random guy on YouTube? My name is Carter. I'm a full-time swing trader in the stock market. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school where I teach people my strategies, my mindset, how I find these stocks that we're going to be talking about today. So check it out down below. And we have a back to school day sale where you guys can get 50% off. It's fantastic. We got private live streams, we got quizzes, we got lectures, everything. If you want to take swing trading to that next level, check it out right now and I'll see you guys in there. And don't forget, code SCHOOL for 50% off. So let's jump into this here. So when it comes with evaluating our swing trades here, for me, the number one thing every swing trader should have is a checklist. So a checklist is a way where you can make sure you're always finding quality stocks rather than quantity. So the first thing on my checklist is the upward trend. So looking at this recent stock here that we traded, I want to break it down because it got absolutely crushed today. It sold off about 7%, but how did I know? How did I know we were going to get sell off? And yesterday, you can actually go back and watch why I sold it. So stay tuned for that because I'm super excited to break this down. So the first thing on my checklist is a stock on an upward trend with this ticker symbol BJ. You guys can see we've seen some great growth. The second thing is support. You can see that this stock loves to use the 90-day moving average line as support. It hits it here, we got buying pressure. Hits it here, we got buying pressure. The next thing, RSI. RSI was trading for 28. The RSI is the relative strength index. It pretty much tracks momentum to make sure you're buying a stock that's just not going to continue to sell off. So for me, I look for positions under 30. With this stock here, was trading for about a 28, so we were under that 30 rule. The next thing on this is going to be the 1 hour support. So the 1 hour support or breakout here, as we go to the hourly chart, you guys can see we entered near and around this $85 mark on the breakout of the 200-day moving average line. You guys can see that in the past, if we go back, the last time it broke out of the moving average line, the stock squeezed up. So I was expecting a similar move, and that's kind of exactly what happened. The stock broke out, rallied its way up about 4%. Now, the last thing on this checklist is earnings. When is the earnings date? And earnings is when the company comes out and they give you all of the good, the bad. And in my opinion, it's way too risky to hold stocks over and during an earnings report. Now, with this stock here, you guys can see that it absolutely got crushed. It sold off about 6.8% due to bad earnings, but we sold it the day prior. We sold near and around this $88 mark, making about a 4% profit. So a couple $100 trade in the matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So the thing is, though, is there's a lot of preparation going into this. We were actually watching the stock back in here, just continue to sell off, and we entered on the breakout. Trading stocks, a lot of people think, oh, it's so easy. Oh, it's this and that. No, trading is a job. You got to treat it like one, and I can't stress it enough. So, guys, if you're starting out, I would highly recommend implementing in your swing trading to not hold stocks during earnings. It's incredibly risky. I know there's a bunch of controversy over that. For me, I don't like that risk. I find it too risky, and this is a prime example of why I never do it. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next. Don't forget to check out our school, and I hope you guys learned something. Take care.